How to use ChatGPT for online shopping. ChatGPT can be used to enhance the online shopping experience for customers in several ways. Here are some ways in which ChatGPT can be used for online shopping. Product recommendations. ChatGPT can help customers find products that meet their needs and preferences by providing personalized recommendations based on their previous purchases, browsing history, and other data. The chatbot can ask questions and gather information to understand the customer's preferences and suggest relevant products. Customer service. ChatGPT can provide instant customer service to customers by answering their questions, resolving issues, and providing guidance. The chatbot can handle common inquiries, such as shipping and delivery, returns and exchanges, and product information. Order tracking. ChatGPT can help customers track their orders by providing real-time updates on the status of their shipment. The chatbot can provide information on the estimated delivery date, shipping carrier, and tracking number. Payment and checkout. ChatGPT can assist customers in the payment and checkout process by providing information on payment methods, discount codes, and shipping options. The chatbot can also help customers resolve any issues related to payments, such as declined credit cards or transaction errors. Feedback and reviews. ChatGPT can collect feedback and reviews from customers to help improve the online shopping experience. The chatbot can ask customers to rate their experience and provide suggestions for improvement. To use ChatGPT effectively for online shopping, it is essential to ensure that the chatbot's responses are accurate, helpful, and tailored to the customer's needs. The chatbot should also be able to handle complex inquiries and escalate issues to a human agent if necessary. Additionally, it is crucial to monitor customer feedback and engagement to evaluate the effectiveness of ChatGPT in enhancing the online shopping experience.